Sana Mehak. I am from 7th class. Today our topic is about modes of transport. And train transport means transferring goods and vehicles running on rails, which are located on tracks. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Myself Aisha Siddiqa. I am studying in 7th class. My topic is mode of transportation. Airway. It is the help in rescue operations and providing relief to the people in affected area within short time. Also, it is the fastest mode of transportation. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Waterway transport is the process of transport such as a ship, boat or sailboat. Roadway transport means transportation. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
लगाओ जी यास्मीन लगाओ
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Myself Safia. I am from 2nd class.